everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and I'm excited because today we're grilling up some Asian lamb chops on the Burch barrel. The first thing that we need to do is trim the rack of lambs, so here's what we're gonna do. We got a beautiful lamb rack here, and really the only thing you want to do is cut it into individual chops. Next, it's time to prepare the marinade for the Asian lamb chops, and here are the steps. For the marinade, you want to start by adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to a bowl. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white sugar. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of mirin. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of minced ginger. And we're also going to add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of red pepper powder. And finally, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. Then you want to mix this thoroughly. Place the lamb in a Ziploc bag, pour the marinade on top. Then you want to marinate the lamb chop a couple of hours in the fridge. Now the lamb chops are marinated, so while we're waiting for that, it's time to light up the Burch barrel. We're going to stack a couple of small sticks of oak wood and light them on fire using a fire starter. When we have a good fire going, we're going to move the charcoal box halfway down. Now we want to grill the lamb chops on the Burch barrel for between 6 to 8 minutes or until they reach an inner temperature of 130 degrees. You want to flip them a couple of times during the cook as well. When they're ready, remove them from the grill. Then we want to finally slice some green onions and top over the lamb chops as well. Now we want to sprinkle the lamb chops with a handful of roasted sesame seeds. Then these magnificent Asian lamb chops are ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled Asian lamb chops on the Burch barrel. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. The color is amazing, they smell wonderful, so here we go. Come on. Rich Asian flavors, cooked to perfection, medium rare. This is really good and I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.